Welcome to Caron Engineering.
Caron Engineering, as its name states, is an engineering company. We're a group of very technical-oriented people that continue to develop advanced products and technical solutions for the manufacturing world. We have software and hardware development people. We have a full team of service technicians, sales department, marketing department, and obviously office staff as well. We have products for monitoring the process of tools, cutting and machine tools, automating the offset updating of tools that are wearing over time, and also things like measuring tools at presetters and using RFID technology to automate the process of inserting tools into machines. We do a lot of advanced analysis with power, vibration, strain, and other sensing technologies to try to eliminate the need for human intervention in any of the manufacturing process. With Caron Engineering products, we take a unique approach. First of all, with our sensing technology, we make all sensors infinitely scalable because one range of sensing isn't going to accommodate all of the types of cutting or processes that happen in the manufacturing world. We also spend a lot of time in our user interface and operator interaction to make sure that it's easy to use. Each of our products is capable of working on any of the CNC controls on the market. All Caron Engineering products include the MT Connect protocol communications, which allows us to provide meaningful data to any supervisory software. Developing technology is a passion for all of us. We love to create new technologies, we love to enhance and add to what we've already done, and we continually look for solutions that haven't been created before for our customers. Caron Engineering supports our technology and products both from our main facility here in Wells, Maine, but also through an extensive network of systems integrators around the world. We have several integrators in the United States and one main integrator that covers the rest of the world for all of our products. Likewise, we are the official distributor of Bloom Novatest products in the Northeast United States. We're responsible for sales, service, and complete support of all these products. With the climate of the current manufacturing workforce, our products are no longer just value-added, they're essential for manufacturing.